Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. Let's look at Cha-Cha-Cha, routine number 7, close basic, underarm, turn to open position, continuous over turn lock step, swivel ending, cross basic with spiral turn, and check from Open CPP with Ronde Chasse. Underarm turn to open position, and we continue with lock step, then continuous lock step, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, and now swivel ending. So lady does step forward with right foot, swivel and step forward. Man does check forward and replace. Now let's look at routine from beginning. We start with close basic. So we dance close basic, 4 and 1, underarm turn, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at first steps of cross basic. Yes. And now we will add spiral. So we dance 2, 3, 4 and 1, and on 1 lady does spiral. We continue 2, 3, 4 and 1. Now instead of close and step, which is beginning of cross basic, we dance swivel ending for lady, and then cross basic with lady spiral, and we continue to Open CPP, then check from Open CPP with Ronde Chasse. 2, 3, 4 and 1, spiral, 2, 3, 4 and 1, check, 3, 4 and 1. From beginning, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Now man steps, check forward, replace, side, close, side, back, replace, forward, cross, forward, 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 cross, forward, cross, forward, check forward, replace, back, cross, back, back, replace, side, close, side, check forward, replace, round behind, close to side. Now lady steps with right foot back, replace, side, close, side, forward, turning forward, back, cross in front, back, back and spiral, forward, cross, forward, cross, forward, forward, swivel, forward, forward, cross, forward, spiral turn, forward, forward, turning, side, close, side, check forward, replace, round behind, close and to side. And now one more extra thing, after ladies swivel ending, lock step, spiral, we can do another extra spiral because we do close hip twist spiral ending. So lady does forward, forward spiral, forward close to side. This is maximum turn we can do with restricted syllabus. Okay, let's look again. And 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. And from beginning. And 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you so much. And I also encourage you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and also learn personally from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.